My class last year, the Principles of Engineering class, we actually did a little bit of trigonometry. So in physics, you know, you get to kind of touch on trigonometry. Like, it helps you so much in the rest of your classes, all the math that's involved and all the science that's involved. You already know half the things that you should know.
And so when I found out that they actually can steer you into aerospace engineering, I was very excited into that. And also the fact that they teach physics to freshmen, which is really cool. I was actually really interested in physics, so.
The fact that engineering is more hands-on, I had an idea of, okay, maybe engineering is the field that I'm much more interested in. So once I got into the academy and realized, okay, there's so many things you can do with engineering, that's when I kind of got more involved with it.
Just doing a project and such is just completely like rewiring your brain. It's like knowing kind of what you have to do and then doing it and then trying to get what you're doing all at the same time.
Yeah, I know, especially here, they have a lot of classes just on the main campus that they don't even offer at the other schools, along with the engineering classes. So I thought it would be really cool to actually be able to learn some engineering along with going to high school and kind of get a jump start when I'm going to college.
When I got into architecture, with Miss Davis also, we started actually doing a subdivision, and I thought we were just going to be doing like little houses, little things, and we did like a subdivision. And it was so cool, and I was like, oh, this is what I wanted to do. And like once we started on that, even though it was so difficult and so challenging, it was like right up my alley.
There's always different types of group roles and what you're supposed to do in the project, so you can figure out, you can be the architect, you can be the mathematician, you can be the lead designer. You can find out what you excel at just through all the projects we do.
I was just talking to someone at my church this past weekend, and I was telling her, she says, well, what is the tech school? What is it? And I was telling her about it and the way we do things, the group contracts, the rubrics, and she says, that's what I do at my job. I was like, no.
Like, our academy is kind of sort of based on like the leadership and getting to be self-confident in like everything you do, and that's a boost for like us. But Laguna Madre always also helps you like decide what you want to be. Like, because like for me, I know it helped me more being involved with the marine biology.
You learn over time, like time management. You really do. It's a lot of friends at the high school. Tayshawn, to come back, why are you there? It's so much funner over here. We don't do anything in class. And I'm like, that's the point. Like, we don't do anything.
When you go, like, say to Laguna Madre and you see the different changes that occur, and they're drastic changes, you really get to understand everything that's happening in, the air pollution and everything like that. So it opens your eyes to something much more than just high school. I mean, it opens your eyes to the whole world.